But right now, let's go ahead and take a look at the Google Nest Mini 2nd generation. Oof! Hey, what's up guys? Spaz Moneybags here, back with another unboxing. The very first technology or other kind of unboxing that's not a shoe inside of a Nike box. But anyways, right now let's just jump right into it. Today we have the Google Nest Mini 2nd generation. Reason being, Google actually released the Google Home Mini. They just rebranded their stuff since they own Nest, the doorbell company, security camera company, whatever, yet it's still Google. So them calling it a 2nd generation, I think it's not necessarily, I guess, appropriate, or it could confuse some people, especially because, like we said, the previous generation wasn't called a Nest Mini, it was a Google Home Mini. But right now, let's go ahead and take a look at the Google Nest Mini 2nd generation. Oof! Bro, look at this. A charcoal color too, I forgot to mention. They actually released multiple colors, a little bit more color variety with this generation. But let's go ahead and put this one to the side. Let's go ahead and see what else the package includes. Just a cardboard setting for the speaker. Let's get started, guy, with Google branding over here in the lower left corner, lower left corner if you're reading it. Then right here, being part of your home means respecting your privacy. Ooh, look at that power cord. Power cord looking fancy already. And that was really it on the packaging. I did forget to talk a little bit about the actual, retail packaging, what you would find on the shelf. So of course, Google branding over here, Nest Mini name right below it, the picture of the speaker when it's turned on. 2nd generation on the lower corner because the first Google Home Mini is still out on sale. And then on the side, hey Google mentions a little bit of the word commands that you can give it. And then over here on the other side, a couple more features, what you can do, hook it up with other smart speakers from Nest or Google. And then small and mighty, a picture of it sitting on furniture, more Google branding. Anyways, here's the speaker. So biggest difference between the 1st generation to this one, 35% or at least 35% recycled material, 2 times more bass on this one as well. Also, they added this part in the back, which is the wall mount. They designed a wall bracket for it, so if you don't want to have it on like a table, on a nightstand, whatever, you can put it up on the wall. But the speaker, the top of the speaker is covered in this kind of this knitted texture. So that covers 3/4 of the speaker, then the other 1/4 is actually this really rubberish feeling or rubber texture material that of course helps with it not moving as much, because if you do this, sways that way. If you do this, it's a lot harder to do so. You got your microphone on and off switch, but then right next to that on and off switch for the microphone, you got the power adapter plug. And then dead center over here at the bottom, there is a Google branding as well. Now, taking a quick look at the Let's Get Started guide, you open it up. It's really short actually. Step number 1 tells you to hook up the speaker to the wall. Step number 2, to download the Google Home app, which is where you're gonna be able to manage this one and any other smart devices from Google that you may add. And then on the next 2 pages, it actually gives you a couple commands that you might tell the speaker. Then over here, you do have touch controls on the speaker. So you can just tap on the speaker to turn the volume up, turn the volume down, or pause and play if you hit the middle. Then, like we mentioned already, there is the option for the wall mount on this one. And that's really it. It's a really simple speaker. Nothing too much to look at. I really like this charcoal colorway, although there was the sandstone, I think, the regular gray and white. There's a red one, a blue one. The blue one looked really cool, but I think it was sold out at Best Buy, which is where I got this one from. Okay, right now what I want to do, I actually want to test it out. I want to hook it up. Connected to my phone. My family did just buy a smart thermostat from Nest as well a couple of days ago. So being able to, connect those smart home features, it's gonna be pretty interesting. Ooh. Oh, okay, so we gotta finish the setup through the Google Home app. Let me make sure my brightness. Yo, it made a little noise.
To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
So it's looking for right now. Okay. It found it. Hey Google, play Heartless by The Weeknd.
Choosing songs is only available for YouTube Music Premium members, but you might like this station.
Oh sh. Hey Google, what's the weather like?
Tonight, it's predicted to be 27 and clear. If you ever want to know what time it is, just ask.
Hey Google, what time it is? What time is it?
6:03.
Shit. But anyways guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, hello, is it in the middle? Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to keep on watching more technology, sneaker, and whatever else unboxings we come across. But yeah, one more time, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Best money bags out.